Hello friends, my name is Tanyam Sharma. Today my topic is installation of I/O devices, printer and installation of operating system. What is input devices? Input devices are those devices through which we can enter data and interaction into the computer. इनपुट डिवाइसेस वो होते हैं जिसके ज़रिए हम कंप्यूटर के अंदर कोई भी डाटा डाल सकते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल कीबोर्ड्स, वेब कैमरा, स्कैनर, लाइट पेन. What is output devices? Output devices are those devices through which we can get result or information on the computer. आउटपुट डिवाइसेस वो होते हैं जिसके द्वारा हम कंप्यूटर के किसी भी डाटा को बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल मॉनिटर, प्रिंटर, स्पीकर एंड हेडफोन्स. हाउ टू इंस्टॉल इनपुट डिवाइसेस. हम इनपुट डिवाइसेस को इंस्टॉल कैसे करें? फर्स्ट, all you have to do is connect mouse, keyboard and monitor, as these devices typically fall into hardware. With these type of devices you usually don't need to manually install the device drive, because operating system recognizes them and install them automatically. How to install output devices. If you want to install an external devices such as USB mouse, simply plug it into a free USB port on your computer. It will not be recognized by the operating system. You will be prompted to install application disk and follow the instructions for the installation process. After this, you will prompted to restart your computer. Steps to install operating system. What is operating system? The installation and initial booting of OS is called operating system. It is the most common installing method for home or small business is with CD or DVD. Insert a CD or flash drive with opening system and reboot. Boot into BIOS. Set the CD-ROM or flash drive to the first in the boot order. Save your changes and reboot. Follow the on-screen instructions to install. Steps to install printer. These are some common steps to install printer. Install the cartridge in the printer and add paper to tray. Insert application CD and run the printer setup application, which will install the printer drivers. Connect your printer to the PC using USB cable and turn it on. After turning it on, you will be able to run printer. Thank you.